Hello, and welcome to Zane Morgan Crafts. I am Zane Morgan. Welcome. So, I lied. But next week, I'm going to try and give you an actual build video next time. I totally forgot that I had big plans this week. While I am building something, I'm not completing it this week. So I'm going to show you the progress of what I've done up until this point, and then we're going to circle back later in another video. It's going to happen, I promise. And I'm just going to show you how I paint my bricks. Sound like fun? Cool. Sound like crap? Hit that like button, and then you can leave. So you might be asking yourself, what are you making this week? Well, let me tell you. It is the sequel to this. That's the one from last week. Anyways, it is the same town, but we are going into the shop. This is what we got. Wow, a box. Yes, well, let me tell you about this box. It's going to be a skyscraper. What? Like a Victorian skyscraper, so it's not really touching the sky. It's gonna be like 4 floors, 5 floors, I don't know, something like that. So anyways, I went in, found some concept art from BioShock Infinite because that was my inspiration for this town. Created some STLs for the windows and blocked it on some foam, and yeah. So that brings us to where we are now with this piece. These are not glued in yet because they're not painted. This is force fit in here right now. This is the magnet top. Here we got our textured brick walls. For the floor on the inside, it is going to be popsicle sticks. That is what I've decided to do because I like the look of real wood. Not that that texture isn't great, but we're gonna do actual wood floors in this. So let's jump into it. Let's start painting. Let's have fun. Woohoo! So for this brick recipe, we're just gonna use 4 colors. The first of which is gonna be burnt umber. And we're going to base coat the Mod Podged brick. And yeah, we're just gonna dab it all over there. Make sure we get in all the cracks and crevices. And now we're gonna move on to brick red. I know I said I was only gonna use folk art, but I am a liar. So we're going to take a dry brush here and we're just going to dab it in there, and we're going to get some red coloring over that burnt umber. Doesn't have to perfectly cover it. Next, we're going to take some golden brown, mix it with that brick red, and we're going to pick and choose little splotches. So we're going to get some lighter variations in there. And to top it off, we're going to do a dry brush of vintage white. And we're gonna hit the corners, the edges, and just add some dimension up in there. And that's it. Okie dokie, kids. So this is where we got with the brick paint. Yeah. There's still a lot more work to do with this, but like I said, I have stuff going on this week, and I wanted to get some content out to you, and I thought sharing my brick recipe would be a good video. If you look at real brick walls, there's a lot of variation in them, and without individually painting each brick, this is a pretty decent solution. At least that's what I've come to find. And so I hope you enjoyed my take on bricks and how I go about painting them. We will see what we do next. Hopefully we're going to start building upwards, and we're going to have fun with this one. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you didn't, unlike it. Comment. Tell me what I need to improve on. But thank you for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I will see you next time.